Vision. Thank you, sir. Now, I call the Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India, Mr. Prabakaran, sir, to felicitate the young entrants.
The Honorable Dr. Justice Anita Sumant, Judge High Court of Madras, my esteemed friend Mr. P.S. Amalraj, respected Mr. S. Ilamanan, Additional Brigadier General of Tamil Nadu, Madam Chitra Sampath, my sister K. Santakumari, Madam Priscilla Pandian, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, Mr. Vice Chairman V. Karthikeyan, Mr. Saravanan, respected Mr. Mastan, Minister of Minority Welfare, Mr. Paul Kanagaraj, Mr. Vel Murugan, respected Secretary, the young members of the bar, senior members of the bar, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Past 15 days, we have been conducted, there are nearly 3 enrollments. All the 3 enrollment, nearly 850, 700, and today is 979. Nearly 2,500 lawyers, the new entrant has entered. What I have been trying to say, though I am a member Bar Council of India and the Vice Chairman of India, we have a number of rules framing time to time because of the significance in the profession, not only in Tamil Nadu, throughout the country, what the problems we are facing. Time to time the Supreme Court has given a guidance and advice to the Bar Council of India to frame a rule. Based on that, in the year 2015, Certificate of Practice rule has been framed. In the Certificate of Practice, though the lawyers throughout the country, nearly 25 lakhs lawyers have been enrolled, nearly 7 to 8 lakh lawyers, the Certificate of Practice has been given to all the State Bar Council, nearly 8 to 7 lakh. Why I am saying this? Those who are interested in a practice particularly, that too particularly the women members, many of them are enrolled. Quite some time later, many of them disappear. They are not coming to the court. It should not be happen. This is a noble profession. I remember after 1993, now the Dr. Anita Sumant Justice, she had been behind her father, roaming around the corridor in the Madras High Court. That time we are also 30 years back, young people as 25, 26 years. We have seen how they are conducting cases in all the courts. But nowadays, the courts are very crowded. But those days, not like that. When I was enrolled, nearly just only 50 or 60 enrolled, that's all. In the profession, only few lawyers. I have been seeing only 20, 25. The members of the bar, we are practicing there. See, there are 2 kinds of lawyers. Just I wanted to bring your lordship notice. What is that? One is vociferous lawyer, another one is docile lawyers. These vociferous lawyers means they will come and practice in criminal side, in the magistrate's courts. In criminal matters, they will handle very vociferously. The docile lawyers means almost they are conducting the civil cases, the admiralty jurisdictions, and company petition, they will deal with it. Whether it is correct, the lawyer must be in a vociferous or docile. Because you are the only voice of justice. Those the people coming to the court, knocking the door of justice, you have to raise your voice. I have seen over the past 3 or 4 years, many young members of the bar, they are arguing very well. We can't say that they are not arguing. They are arguing well. But at the same time, to whom you are choosing? Chitra Samat rightly said, they are seniors and all, very the efficient lawyers in the country. They have followed the seniors, and thereafter they pick up their cases. That is different. But whether you can get a case, it's difficult nowadays. So what you should do? You should choose at least lawyers, those who enrolled after 10 years. Minimum experience of 10 years, 20 years, some senior lawyers. You should go and join immediately. You should not see what is the amount. Some people are coming. Last week, one fellow came to my office. That lawyer is asking me how much you will pay every month. I said, you came now only, you do not know what is what. It is completely, your eyes are blocked in the court. You have to first come and learn the judicial system, administrative system, everything you should learn. Then only at least one person, some of the members of the bar, what they are trying to do, they will first 1 or 2 applications they are filing under section 439 or 438. Bail application, anticipated bail application. They are thinking that everything I know. It's not so. This law subject is a vast subject. You have to learn more and more. Every day you have to study the journals. Every day you have to watch the court proceedings. You should go and sit in the court. At least every day 1 hour. At least 1 hour, 1.5 hours you have to watch the proceedings. What the members of the bar are arguing. What are the questions raised by the judges. And how they are dealing with the clients. And how the orders has been passed. So without knowing anything, you can't do it. That's why you are not an ordinary person. You are an intellectual community. There is a lot of difference among the public and the lawyers. The members of the bar is an intellectual community. You have to drill your mind and fight with the intellectual. You can't just let it go. 2 days back, one lady coming, the lady lawyers is in the first floor, another 20 lawyers behind her, and fighting with the other side. That is a family dispute matter. Raising a voice. Because the matter has been went to mediation, there are a lot of fighting goes on. It should not be. Members of the bar, to maintain the dignity and decorum of the institution, and you should be very cautious of what you are doing and what you are arguing before the court. So repeatedly, in all time, we are taking classes, number of classes taken by the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and throughout the country, Bar Council of India also, we are advising to take classes. Because why? You should equip. The responsibility you should know. What is the responsibility of the members of the bar? Otherwise you can't go just take that fight. Many people are going the police station. One fellow yesterday they asked, 2 days back, after the enrollment, my friends are asking, what are you going to do? I said, no, I am going to only the police station visit. Police station visit is not a profession. So lawyer means you should know the profession ethics, you should know how to practice. So rightly pointed out Mr. Selman and Mr. Sindra Chambalat and Madam, my sister Santamari every day very nicely said, you have to follow, because many of them has come from the rural areas, suburban areas, and many of them are downtrodden. You are the first comers of your family. Your parents will be very happy today because you are all enrolled. In my family, I am the first lawyer has been enrolled. I do not know anything. When I enrolled here, the year 1990, one lawyer, that time each one lawyer has to move. I brought one lawyer, Mr. A. Tyagarajan. Now he has become a senior now. He put the signature and he moved on behalf of me. Then he said, today is Friday. You moved here the month of the year April 1990. Come to the court, this is the first day. Just to say something to the court. It is only in a WMP. I appeared before the justice, very nice judge, I do not remember the name. Yes, return, may I please my lord, my senior is out of station, WMP, kindly adjourn the matter. sorry, as Bhakta, Justice Bhakta. I took out and then I went there and then I said, when the matter was called, then everybody began, but I do not know the first stage. Then I will say, everybody, yes, this is a case, please argue. Then I said, may I please, my lord, in WAP so and so number, my scene is out of station, please kindly adjourn the matter. That's what I said. But whereas the judge has passed an order in favor of me, then immediately thereafter everybody is pulling, don't argue. Then I said, what happened? No, you got the case. Very good, you succeeded. Then, what I have been trying to say, at least you must go and attend the court. Thereafter only you should know what you should say. Unless without any practice, see, I am telling you very seriously, you can't learn anything. You have to study each and every day some thoroughly subject, either you choose any field, either criminal side or civil side or company side or income tax side. Madam, particularly Dr. Anjana Sumana Justice, she practiced only particularly in income tax. So a well-versed lawyer. We will say that time there are sophisticated lawyers because they are dealing with the income tax. Nowadays everybody is doing that's different. But why I am saying this, please kindly, you are all very highly equipped person, very highly knowledgeable person. Nowadays I am seeing if really my juniors, if I ask, immediately 10 judgments they are giving. So that kind of all equipped, you have very highly knowledgeable, please fight in the court only by way of brain, not by way of physical. So please kindly take it as considerations, and you know better future. Many of them become a judge, many of them become politicians, many of them become a very super senior lawyers in the country. So therefore I am very happy today participating in this function, and I congratulate to each and every one, those who enrolled. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your blessing.